Hi guys, and welcome back to this video where I will be provisioning an Amazon VPC with Terraform. So in this particular video, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our file structure, and then from there we're going to start looking at the individual parts that we then need to look at. Bear in mind we're using a VPC module or that already exists on Terraform's registry. So that we just make our lives easier, right? We could be writing all of this ourselves, but I think modules are kind of like a standard way now where we write infrastructure as code just to make things simple for that process, right? So we're going to start off with the data.tf file. Then we're going to do locals.tf. Then we're going to do main.tf. Sorry, I think I called this a TS file. I'm going to call it a TF file. We're not working in TypeScript. And then we're going to do outputs.tf. And then variables .tf. And I think while we're here, I'm also going to get started with the provider, right? So the provider that's required for us is AWS, and its source is going to be HashiCorp/AWS. I'm not going to worry too much at tying it to a specific version. So if, for example, we want a specific version, we would do it here, but I'm not going to do that, right? And then once we've done that, I'm going to say provider AWS, and then the region, it'll be EU West 2, which is essentially London. And then in terms of the profile, I'm going to tell it to look for a profile called cloud space. Okay, cloud space. Right. Okay, so that's essentially it for now. I'm not going to set a separate backend as well. We're just going to use our local machine as the backend. Essentially, we're going to have those state files stored here. Yeah, so that's the file structure for this video. So I'll leave it here, and then in the next video we'll come back and get started with the VPC.